Alright, Mike, here's Gina and Charis' litter, a little bit over 2 weeks of age. 2 black sables and 2 solid blacks, all very frisky, healthy, all have their eyes open, all are trying to walk. We walk pretty well. A little bit of rolling. All pretty uniform in size. One of the black sables is a little bit larger. I think the other one may be a dark sable, not actually a black. The 2 blacks are pretty close in size. One's a little bit smaller, a little bit more go-go ants in the pants. The darker black sable puppy is a little bit more assertive and aggressive than the lighter sable. I think you'll really like them. You keep looking at them, you'll probably know which one would work for you. It'll take a little while, though. I'm leaning myself a little bit more towards the lighter sable. A little bit calmer puppy, more of what I'm looking for. But very, very nice. And there's Gina being a good mama. And I will take another video for you. Let me see if I can come in close and you can see a little bit closer here. Kind of hard to see their heads. But, alright, there we go. I'll send you another one in a couple of days. Take care.